Before a single guest checks in, a new hotel's commercial survival depends entirely on its physical infrastructure operating flawlessly on day one. We are talking about the physical integrity of the building. This means the core utilities, the HVAC systems pushing clean air, the intricate plumbing networks, and the electrical grids powering hundreds of rooms simultaneously. The sole guarantors of this complex ecosystem are the engineering and maintenance teams. If these systems fail when the doors open, the result is immediate operational chaos. Guests lose power, temperatures fluctuate wildly, and satisfaction ratings plummet before the property can even establish its reputation. Preventing this breakdown is a specific human resources challenge, not strictly an engineering one. The invisible physical infrastructure dictates the visible guest experience. Every dollar of revenue generated on opening day rests on those utility networks functioning perfectly. Staffing and engineering department forces HR to step away from standard hospitality recruitment practices used for housekeeping or food and beverage. In traditional service roles, hiring managers can prioritize trainable behavioral skills. A positive attitude and good communication can be refined on the job over time. Assessing candidates who will manage critical infrastructure requires a different approach. A friendly demeanor cannot fix a failing boiler. Engineering roles demand specialized, pre-certified technical expertise from the exact moment of hire. To secure this talent, HR must execute a three-phase pivot: rigorous technical vetting, strict procedural integration, and comprehensive legal compliance. By pivoting the recruitment focus from general service to technical expertise, HR builds the defense against catastrophic asset failure. The most difficult hurdle for an HR leader in this process is technical skill vetting. We are looking at specialized positions like the chief engineer, HVAC technicians, and master plumbers. Hiring an underqualified candidate for these high-risk roles invites immediate danger. A misstep here can lead to massive water damage, electrical fires, or severe injuries. Most HR professionals do not have the engineering background required to independently verify whether a technician actually understands a complex chiller plant. To bridge this knowledge gap, HR must form a mandatory, direct partnership with the hotel's chief engineer. Together, they design highly structured technical interview processes that go far beyond standard resume checks. These systems are too expensive and dangerous to learn through trial and error. A candidate's competence must be precisely and mathematically verified before any contract is signed. Technical competency tests filter a candidate's profile through multiple layers of strict evaluation. First, they validate external credentials, ensuring state licenses and safety certifications are legitimate. Next, they verify hands-on experience with the exact physical systems installed in the new hotel. A building management system, or a centralized chiller plant, is a massive, interconnected network of sensors, pumps, and software that controls the property's entire climate and energy usage. Because technicians capable of running these specific systems are highly sought after, HR has to restructure standard job descriptions and offer highly competitive compensation packages to attract them. Successful technical vetting means perfectly matching an external, certified human capability directly to the hotel's internal specialized hardware. Once the team is hired, HR shifts focus to the heartbeat of the engineering department: preventative maintenance scheduling. Preventative maintenance is the strict, routine inspection and upkeep of all critical physical assets to ensure they run continuously without friction. There is a non-negotiable operational deadline here. The entire PM schedule must be fully established and active before the hotel's soft opening. This schedule lives inside the engineering management system, the central digital database tracking the building's health. HR plays a vital role here by mandating and organizing training programs specifically for this EMS software. Staff must first master how to log work orders accurately, ensuring every maintenance action is recorded. Second, they must learn to update asset tags in the system, which tracks the life cycle and depreciation of expensive equipment. A failure to execute this early HR systems training leads directly to unrecorded maintenance, premature asset breakdown, and massively inflated operational costs. Beyond protecting the hotel's hardware, HR bears the responsibility of protecting the physical safety of the engineering team itself. These technicians operate in high-risk working conditions that standard hospitality staff never encounter. They are routinely exposed to hazards involving complex electrical wiring, steep ladder ascents, and high-pressure boiler maintenance. HR manages the strict legal compliance required for these hazardous environments. This means enforcing a dual mandate, ensuring every single staff member completes mandatory safety training, and issuing all legally required personal protective equipment before they ever touch a tool. Implementing these compliance protocols shields the hotel from catastrophic legal liability while actively protecting the lives of the technical staff. Zooming out, the entire engineering staffing process functions as a unified risk mitigation strategy. There is a direct causal link between the stability of the hotel's infrastructure and overall guest satisfaction metrics. If the building works perfectly, guests are comfortable. This chart shows the long-term operational impact. Notice that as the infrastructure stability line increases due to proper staffing, the energy and maintenance cost line sharply decreases over time. The upfront administrative cost of specialized HR vetting is minimal when compared to the devastating long-term costs of physical asset failure. The recruitment and systematic preparation of the engineering team serves as a strict financial imperative, far exceeding the scope of routine administrative paperwork. Technical HR functions as a core driver of a property's commercial viability, directly securing the physical plant that makes the business possible. To achieve this, HR must transition from standard service recruitment to specialized technical talent acquisition. They must enforce procedural integration, specifically loading preventative maintenance schedules into the engineering management system before opening day. And they must maintain an absolute mandate for legal compliance and safety protocols to protect their workforce. Mastering the specific type of HR support is a crucial operational skill taught in premium hospitality management programs like the Europe Hotel School London. Ultimately, long-term commercial success in the hospitality industry is completely impossible without the foundational reliability of the physical plant. Through rigorous technical staffing and preparation, human resources becomes the unseen engine that keeps the entire hotel running.